You asked, how to divide 2,376 by 3 using the long division method. 2 is too small. Use 23. 23 divided by 3 equals 7. 7 times 3 equals 21. 23 minus 21 equals 2. Bring down 7, making 27. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. 9 times 3 equals 27. 27 minus 27 equals 0. Bring down 6, making 6. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 minus 6 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 792.